What is the CDL's role in your truck accident injury case? Imagine being involved in a serious truck accident and wondering who is responsible. One key piece of evidence that can make a big difference is the commercial driver's license, or CDL. This license shows whether the driver was legally allowed and qualified to operate the big truck involved. Without a valid CDL, the driver might have been breaking the law, which can make them more liable for the accident. Having a valid CDL means the driver passed all the required tests and medical exams to prove they are fit to drive. If the driver did not have a valid CDL at the time of the crash, it suggests negligence or illegal operation. This can help strengthen your claim for damages. It also shows that the driver was supposed to follow federal and state rules for safety and licensing. One important rule is the hours of service regulation. CDL drivers must limit how long they drive without taking a break. Electronic logging devices track these hours and can show if a driver was fatigued or reckless. If a driver violated these rules, it could be a major factor in causing the accident. Trucking companies also have a responsibility to make sure their drivers have valid CDLs. If a company allows someone to drive without a proper license or with a suspended license, they can be held responsible. This is called vicarious liability, meaning the company is liable for the driver's actions during work. When lawyers investigate a truck accident, they look at the driver's CDL status and driving records. They check for suspensions, revocations, or restrictions that could show the driver was unqualified. This evidence can be critical in proving fault. If it turns out the driver was operating without a valid CDL or broke CDL rules, it can increase your chances of getting compensation. It shows the driver and the trucking company did not follow safety laws meant to protect everyone on the road. In short, the CDL is a vital part of a personal injury case involving a truck accident. It proves whether the driver was legally allowed to be behind the wheel and if they followed safety regulations. Violations related to the CDL can significantly impact who is held responsible and how much you might recover in damages. The trucking company's duty to ensure proper licensing makes the CDL a central element in establishing liability for both the driver and the company.